Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iGET Smart L203 to Nokia device. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept. OK. Choose confirm. Continue. And allow. Then you need to go with send on iGET Smart and receive on an Android. After that, tap on all of those dots and choose send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only select this one photo, click send and tap got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose receive, or you can scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on Nokia, then choose allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select in my case images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. As you can see, my picture is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!